At ConAgra, we are building the best supply chain in the food industry. We have proactively invested in supply chain modernization, building muscle over the past 3 years to position ConAgra for the future. Through disciplined investments in technology, manufacturing, and logistics operations, we've secured a good and healthy supply chain, grown through an international crisis, and are now growing an integrated company. Innovative and transformative, our resilient, agile, customer-focused, and integrated supply chain, supported by strategic automation investments in warehouses and production facilities, best-in-class technology for better data analytics, and decisions that are right for the environment and right for business, help us deliver today on our current customer and consumer commitments as we continue to transform people, assets, and technology for the opportunities tomorrow will bring.
The world has changed, and it started before the pandemic. We had to be an integrated solution. We had to be in a fast solution. We had to be in a solution that was doing some of the work for us.
From a technology standpoint, we've invested in an enterprise planning tool that will help us with forecasting, inventory management, and also give us signals around any demand challenges that we have. With Microsoft Azure, data and analytics give us predictability in terms of trends, our transportation, and our logistics spaces.
We leveraged the abundance of data we had on hand. Everything from retail data to shipment data, data sets that aren't as commonly used, such as weather data and macroeconomic data, to create hundreds of thousands of models to accurately predict demand at an item-level location.
Being able to adapt our operations very, very quickly with that foresight from our demand sciences group was critically important to getting out ahead of the challenges.
Investment in modernization is bringing digital technology into the plant to maximize performance and employee engagement across ConAgra brands.
It's just not about the technology in of itself, it's really about the people. And we're doing several things. One is we're upskilling the people that we currently have at ConAgra. We're also looking to invest in new skills and bring new skills on board.
We have a path to automate our facilities over the next 5 years to the tune of approximately 75%.
We're able to scenario plan where historically we haven't been able to, by using cutting-edge modernized tools, powering it by AI and ML to actually drive impact immediately by recognizing the value of a superior signal being delivered to supply chain.
Conversations and the level of strategy we're able to engage in today fundamentally different than 3 years ago.
This is an investment in what the future looks like for us, what modernization looks like. The combination of the connected shop floor, ConAgra Production Systems, employee engagement with this beautiful new facility will help us significantly reduce our cost per pound.
Our goal is to have the peas harvested in the field and in our freezer in less than 5 hours.
We're now able to collect data from today, derive insights about a long-term demand signal 2, 3, 5 years in the future, and make really planful actions.
We've been on this journey for a number of years, and we can clearly see how that investment is paying off.
All the way from what's happening on the shelf and within the shelf set, back through a consumption signal, back through shipments to our retailers and what it is they're holding on shelf, and then how that translates back to our operations. And planning is so critical because of that.
Across ConAgra brands, strategic investments continue to modernize our people, assets, and technology, enabling a resilient end-to-end supply chain and a more sustainable integrated business that's agile enough to withstand volatility. ConAgra, delivering today, transforming tomorrow.